How to recover TikTok suspended account. When you see the message saying your TikTok account is suspended, take a screenshot of it on your phone. Go to your TikTok app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Look for those 3 lines at the top right. Tap on them. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit until you see Report a Problem, and tap on it. Tap on Account and Profile. Tap on Login. Choose Other. Now, pick Need More Help. They'll ask for a screenshot. Upload the one you took earlier. Make an appeal. Put in your full name, TikTok username, email, and phone number. When you're done, hit the Submit button. Now, it's a waiting game. TikTok will review your appeal. Later on, try logging into your TikTok again to see if it's back to normal. Remember, it might take a bit of time for them to sort things out. And that's it. Once your appeal is reviewed, your account should be reinstated, and you'll be able to log in smoothly again. Remember, patience is key during this process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Thank you for watching.